Since ancient times, from Eastern traditional Taoist medicine to modern Western medicine, humanity has been dedicated to the pursuit of longevity and anti-aging research. In 1904, when G.R. Arthur Harden discovered NAD+, dozens of Nobel Prize winners subsequently achieved major breakthroughs in the field of anti-aging. Through studying genetic sequences, developing anti-aging drugs, synthesizing molecular structures, and advancing regenerative medicine, they have helped extend human lifespan, improve quality of life, and address the diseases and fatal problems caused by aging. Among these achievements, NMN is particularly noteworthy. Inside cells, NMN can be partially converted into NAD+. NAD+ activates mitochondrial ADP energy metabolism, DNA repair, and cell rejuvenation. Dr. David Sinclair, a renowned anti-aging scientist from Harvard Medical School, demonstrated through animal experiments that NMN can improve the condition of aging mice, regulate multiple physiological functions, and extend lifespan. For his contributions, he was named one of the top 100 most influential people in the world by Time magazine in 2014. This recognition coincided with NMN's rapid rise, driving sales of nearly $40 billion in the anti-aging sector within just a few years, dominating the single-product market with no competitors. In 2020, Professor Hongbin Zhang, a Chinese-born Harvard scientist and one of the world's leading developers and advocates of the mTOR longevity mechanism, published groundbreaking results in the prestigious journal Nature. His study demonstrated that AKG could halt aging and extend lifespan in mice. Professor Zhang, who has led numerous national-level projects and was awarded the title of Distinguished Professor by the CMB, brought new hope to the field of anti-aging. Even Dr. David Sinclair highly praised this work, strongly endorsing AKG's contribution to longevity. This breakthrough opened a new chapter in human life extension research. Currently, AKG has surpassed the ceiling set by NMN, achieving groundbreaking preliminary results in human clinical trials on lifespan extension. According to Phase 1 clinical reports, AKG has been proven to be an extremely safe substance for humans, with remarkable anti-aging benefits. Why has AKG overtaken NMN? The key lies in its mechanism. Unlike NMN, which works through indirect pathways, AKG directly activates mitochondria and directly stimulates sirtuins 1 to 7, the longevity genes. This direct action makes AKG's anti-aging effects significantly stronger than NMN. Animal studies on AKG have confirmed its extraordinary effects, reaching unprecedented levels in medical research. AKG outperforms NMN, PQQ, NA, NR, and all other longevity-related substances currently available, with data showing an average human lifespan extension of 8.5 years, and in some cases, up to 34 years. GNAKG is a composite life extension formula developed by the biotechnology research team funded by DRGV, representing a new era of anti-aging science. Since 2020, DRGV has been fully investing in and developing the field of medical life sciences. The company established a life science research laboratory dedicated to innovation in this sector. One of its landmark breakthroughs, the composite longevity formula GNAKG, has obtained 6 major U.S. certifications. 1. FDA certification, ensuring public health by verifying the safety of food, drugs, cosmetics, medical devices, biologics, and tobacco products. 2. CGMP certification, recognized in the US, Europe, Japan, and other countries. CGMP, current good manufacturing practice, represents international pharmaceutical production standards. 3. Non-GMO certification, guaranteeing that the product is free from genetically modified organisms, in line with the latest EU GMO regulations. 4. Lab-tested certification, verified through laboratory testing for safety and efficacy. 5. Halal certification, ensuring compliance with Muslim dietary and lifestyle requirements, confirming the product contains no prohibited ingredients such as pork or alcohol. 6. Made in the USA certification, manufactured in US-based facilities under strict quality controls. The GNAKG composite formula combines multiple synergistic ingredients, significantly enhancing anti-aging and longevity effects. Its multi-layered anti-aging synergy includes pterostilbene and physidin, which work alongside AKG to boost antioxidant capacity, reduce inflammation, and clear senescent cells. AKG, which enhances mitochondrial function to slow aging, while pterostilbene and physidin fundamentally delay cellular aging and strengthen cell survival. Vitamin A, which contributes additional antioxidant and immune support functions. Together, this formula provides comprehensive protection against aging and supports cellular health, reducing oxidative stress-induced cell damage. By participating in the tricarboxylic acid (TCA) cycle, AKG directly promotes ADP production, significantly improving cellular vitality and energy levels. This not only supports healthy aging, but also enhances physical performance, particularly during exercise or in cases of metabolic decline. The inclusion of pterostilbene and fisetin further optimizes cellular function by supporting sustained energy release and maintaining metabolic balance, ensuring long-lasting high-efficiency energy supply. Vitamin A strengthens immunity. As a core nutrient for maintaining skin and mucosal barriers, it effectively prevents pathogen invasion while enhancing immune cell function. The natural anti-inflammatory properties of pterostilbene and fisetin significantly reduce chronic inflammation, protecting cells from inflammation-induced damage. Galactamanins support gut health. By promoting a balanced gut microbiome, this ingredient improves digestive health, boosts immunity, and helps regulate blood sugar and weight management, making it particularly beneficial for individuals aiming to maintain a healthy body composition. The NAD+AKG composite formula, which integrates vitamin A, pterostilbene, fisetin, and galactamanins, provides comprehensive protection in anti-aging, energy enhancement, immune support, and gut health. It works by activating mitochondria, clearing senescent cells, sustaining cellular vitality, and strengthening immune system performance. When taken, NAD+AKG's sustained-release coating ensures the active ingredients reach the digestive system without being destroyed by stomach acid or bile, allowing absorption in the intestines. Once absorbed into the bloodstream, they are delivered to every organ cell, where they are converted directly into NAD+ and rapidly activate all 7 sirtuin longevity genes, SIRT1, 7. The results are directly manifested in 10 major health benefits. 1. DNA repair and maintenance of genetic stability. 2. Mitochondrial activation. 3. Antioxidant effects and neutralization of free radicals. 4. Enhanced immunity and regulation of cellular activity. 5. Support for normal metabolic functions. 6. Protection and strengthening of neural cells. 7. Promotion of protein synthesis, preserving the youthfulness of skin and organs. 8. Inhibition of tumor growth. 9. Improved physical endurance. 10. Restoration of internal balance, increased NAD+ concentration, cellular self-repair, and rejuvenation of vitality. Summary of NAD+AKG scientific breakthroughs. Under normal conditions, these 10 functions are only found in individuals around their early 20s. NAD+AKG, however, can reverse aging, activate 7 key longevity proteins, induce NAD+ elevation, repair mitochondria, extend telomeres, address post-COVID conditions, regulate and repair chronic diseases, and eliminate cellular aging marks. From the inside out, NAD+AKG helps the body regain youthful vitality, enabling true age reversal and life extension. Backhand index pointing right, NAD+AKG, making life better, healthier, and longer.